Morning. Hey, if you're struggling to think of things to sell with AI, or what kind of business to build AI, or struggling to think about a niche, um, understandable. This world is moving really quickly. So I think it's leaving all of us, even those of us who are just total evangelists, excited about it, thinking about it all the time, it's kind of just leaving all of us in the dust. But I would encourage you first to think about, instead of trying to think about the shiny, exciting, hypey, technical sides of AI. Instead, think about what it actually can do for people. And I think one of the number one strengths that it has is creating order out of chaos. So, for example, if you're looking at your analytics of a website, turning that random data into actionable advice. So, there's the data that's scattered across dashboards and metrics and charts and reports and all these things, right? KPIs of a company. If you can tie that together into some kind of, AI brain that has some memory and turn it into intelligence, that is an offer. That's a product. So another example, this morning, I was thinking about my personal finances and I was just like, man, I would love to have an AI that would just look at my budget every month and be like, hey dude, like you could do better in these areas. And actually you could build that just with a spreadsheet, an innate in automation, some connections to your bank and an LLM, right? It's like doesn't have that many moving parts. But you see the common thread is simply taking data that's just in a confusing format, which for a lot of people, if there's a lot of data, a spreadsheet's actually not that useful when it becomes very large, so it's really just taking that and turning it into something actionable, and that's it. What are some of the other benefits? Now in the agentic age, of course, we're talking about taking actual action for the business or on behalf of the entrepreneur, in whatever realm or area of their business or life that is useful, and that could be anywhere from sales to marketing to code to customer service infrastructure. I mean, there's so many ways. Really just dive into it and think to yourself, where's the chaos? Where's the disorder? Where are things falling apart for this person or this entrepreneur? And how can I solve that with a little bit of intelligence built